Hey there, welcome to the world of Python programming. Whether you are completely new to coding or looking to expand your skills, this video series is the perfect place to start. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world today. It's known for being simple, powerful, and versatile. Whether you want to build websites, analyze data, automate tasks, or dive into artificial intelligence, Python has got you covered. In this series, we are going to break it down step by step. You'll learn everything from the basics of writing your first lines of code to mastering more advanced concepts, all while working on real-world projects. So, grab your laptop and get ready to start coding with Python. No prior programming experience? No problem. We will guide you through every step. Alright, let's dive in and unlock the power of Python. ఇంకా ఎవరు ఇతే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోలేదో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకన్ని ఆన్లో పెట్టుకోండి బెల్ ఐకన్ ఆన్ పెట్టుకుంటే మన వీడియోస్ నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తాయి ఇంకా లైక్ చేయండి షేర్ చేయండి కామెంట్ చేయండి